So despite our better judgment, Wifeysauce and I thought it would be a great idea to do a PC build challenge inspired by the very popular first We Feast series, Hot Ones. So basically the way it's gonna work is that with every component we install, we're gonna have to eat a wing, and each wing will be spicier than the last until our mouths are on fire and we're consumed by the devil himself. By the way, this video is sponsored by Be Quiet, so thanks to them for making this happen. They may very well be the last sponsor we ever work with if this video kills us. With that said, links to all the parts that we're using for this build can be found in the description, along with all the hot sauces that we're gonna be regretfully consuming. Let's just start. Let's just start it off with the case. This is Be Quiet's PureBase 500DX. Very similar to the existing PureBase 500, but with a few nifty changes, including a full mesh front panel with addressable RGB. There's also addressable RGB inside the case now, and I think it comes with another 140mm fan. So now we have 3 140mm PureWings 2 fans. Oh wait, hold on. We shouldn't even do this yet. We should do the motherboard first.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So the first component to install is the CPU. So that means we should eat some wings.
All right, I'm not nervous for the first one. Cheers.
Cheers. This is the fun, easygoing part. The sauce just tastes good.
I could eat this. All right.
Let's install a CPU. All right, I'm gonna have Wifeysauce do the installation here. Right now we're working with an MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk, and what's wrong with the CPU? Don't tell me there's a broken pin. That's a 3900X.
I can't tell. What about that right there? Why does it look like there's a mark on there?
I don't know what that is, but it looks like the pins are fine. So just, if it boots, we're in the clear. All right, there goes 12 cores. We're gonna have a bunch of hot sauce on all these components when we're done.
All right, one thing down.
Okay.
What's the next step?
Next is memory. So, more wings.
Okay. All right, I'm feeling good because the first one wasn't bad.
Ladies first.
Oh.
A little more heat.
That one's a slow burner.
It creeps up a little bit, right?
A little bit.
It's still manageable though. Okay, what's the slowest I can install memory? Because I'm dreading the next set of wings. That was way too quick. Oh, I forgot to mention, G.Skill Flare X, DDR4 3200 speed. We've got 16 gigabytes here, dual channel kit.
Woo! I feel the burn already.
I do too, actually, yeah. I feel the burn.
No, okay.
My lips are on fire.
I'm tapping out.
No,
tapping out early.
No, come on.
Sorry, Be Quiet. We're not going to finish.
You have a high tolerance.
I know. Actually, I think I have a
high.
higher tolerance than you, but I think I'm just nervous.
Whoa, a higher tolerance than me. Those are some fighting words.
Yeah,
We'll see about that. So, you gotta unscrew that guy first.
Oh, I got a screwdriver.
The cooler that we're using is Be Quiet's Dark Rock Pro 4. It's got 2 fans, one in the middle and then one on the side. And the middle fan's flanked by these 2 large heat sinks.
Can I keep the back plate on?
Yes, we're gonna need that. I believe these little black risers go on first. And then we've got these guys. It's so quiet right now. I feel like this is the calm before the storm. Enjoy the silence while it lasts, because pretty soon all you'll hear is screaming.
And all you'll see is sweating from you.
I'm not looking forward to that. Sweat is conductive.
Yeah, don't get any on the components.
I will try my best. And I'm only guessing. I'm pretty sure this is correct. TIM. I mounted it wrong.
Good.
I mounted the brackets backwards. They should be flipped around. I think everything else is fine though. This is why you read the manual, kids. Flippy dippy. There. Yeah, it's like it never happened. And the cooler. Make sure this lines up first this time. Yes, that's spot on. There we go. I had such a perfect thermal paste application last time too.
Yeah, that one just wasn't as good.
Nope, it sucks. I love this cooler.
What do you like about it?
It performs like a champ, and it's just attractive. Brushed aluminum on the front.
Yeah, it is nice.
The black fin stacks, it's just a nice cooler. All right, I'm gonna pass the first fan through. This is the one that goes between the 2 heat sinks. Sorry, G.Skill RAM, no one's gonna be able to see you. CPU fan, and second fan.
Perfect.
CPU cooler installed.
Are you ready for another wing?
No, let's do it. Number 3.
Wing me. Ah! Okay. Woo.
Oh, this one's bringing the flavor. It just has like a hot flavor, like it tastes hot.
Vinegar, hot. I'm only taking 1 bite of that.
I took 2. Miss, I have a higher tolerance than you.
You know what?
That's what I thought. Oh wow, that one's hot.
I'm trying to ignore it right now. All right, let's get this over with.
SSD. We have a Western Digital WD-SN550. It's an NVMe M.2 drive, PCIe Gen 3. Seems a little bit wasted on B550 since it does support PCIe Gen 4, but it's just for the video. Does that thermal pad work on tongues?
Let me try.
Don't.
Oh, that's hot. Woo, that's really hot.
I'm huffing and puffing.
Am I putting this on right?
No, that goes in the slot first.
Oh yeah, I forgot how to do this. Ah! This is a bad decision. Wait, how does this go?
I don't know, I'm not gonna help you because I'm in no rush to eat the next wing.
Tell me how to do it or I'm leaving.
What's wrong?
Shut up.
Are you having a hard time? Is it too hot for you?
Nope. Is that right?
Yeah, it looks fine to me. Now we are installing the motherboard assembly into the case. Be Quiet PureBase 500DX. The whole reason this video exists. I have no feelings of resentment towards it. Standoffs are pre-installed, okay. I'm really appreciating the small things right now.
All right.
Wing number 4.
I'm only taking one bite on this one.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Oh.
No. No.
Oh no. Oh
No.
wow. That one gets all up in there. That one's mad.
My face is getting sweaty and I don't get sweaty.
All right, let's do this. Oh no, wait, hold on.
No, don't tell me.
All right, here, you go ahead and place that in. I'll get the screws. Oh God, call the fire department. I got the screws. That look good? Yeah, sure, looks fine. Doesn't look like it's perfectly aligned.
Oh, I don't want to do this anymore.
No!
I'm breaking out the tortillas.
Where'd you get tortillas? And why tortillas? Does that help?
In my mind, it would help. Oh,
Why isn't this going in? Oh my God.
it looks like it's lined up with the case.
Here, you wanna try? I'm like having a hard time thinking.
This is threading
Okay, good.
or not. Oh, this is not threading. Oh, I'm getting mad because this isn't working.
Right?
Getting mad.
Is it actually a problem with the screw? Or is it us?
We might not finish this build, just FYI.
You might not finish it because you have a lower tolerance than me.
No.
Here, give me the screwdriver. Give me the screwdriver. I'm gonna have to take charge here. Got one. I'm just trying to meditate. I'm not even here right now.
You can't meditate while doing this. This is impossible. You're making very unattractive noises right now.
I could care less. Okay. Okay. I think we're done.
What's next? GPU? No.
Power supply.
Oh, this.
Oh wait, before we pass that through, we got a wing. Number 5.
Woo! Woo! We have
Okay.
two more. We have two
Okay.
more.
Okay. Cooperate here. Push them, pass them through.
Okay.
All of them. Oh, we didn't even put the bracket on.
Oh,
Wait, hold on, dude. Hold on.
someone's getting mad.
Are there any screws under there? Can you get that box? Retrieve power supply screws out of box. That's why I keep multiple screwdrivers up there. And this one is the one that just is not working.
Oh.
Why? Why? The other ones are fine.
Who has the higher spice tolerance now?
Yeah, all right, hey, you do the hard job, I'll do the easy job, and we'll see if that affects things.
All right.
Big talker over here.
It's not working because it's not aligned, Kyle. Is it upside down?
I don't know, misalignment, you tell me.
But then now this is misaligned. What the hell is happening here? What is happening here? Oh my God, I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, here, I think that's better. Here we go.
This is the most painful power supply installation ever.
We're clearly not thinking straight right now.
If someone told me that the power supply would be the hardest thing we've installed today,
Do you laugh at them or would you cry?
I'd punch him in the face.
All right, my nose is dripping.
Is that all 4?
Yeah. Come on, you stupid mofo.
I think this is the only build where you've called a power supply a mofo. Okay, that looks really good.
So wait, when are we gonna do, we have 2 more. So when do we do the next 2 wings? Do we do it now before the cable management or is that a stupid idea?
This whole video's been a stupid idea, so I don't know how much worse it could get. We should probably eat wing number 7 right now. Or 6, wing number 6.
But the last one was really hot.
I know. But we gotta commit. All right, ready?
1,
Race to the finish.
2, 3.
Go.
Oh. Ah, lean down. Sorry, I got someone on the desk.
Good job. Why am I licking it off
Oh.
my fingers?
My God. Oh my God.
Come on!
Mind over matter, mind over matter.
Why did I go?
Stop yelling!
I'm just trying to install
My
a 24-pin ATX
Do you feel it
cable.
in your ears? Oh.
Come on! What's happening?
I think we might get in a fight after this.
Shut up! I hate you. Okay. That's one stupid cable. I can't really rely on you to film me, right? Because
no.
All right.
Cannot. Do I take a sip of water?
I'm only gonna take one when you do.
Bad idea. Oh my gosh.
Why'd you do that?
It burned so bad.
Is this?
I feel lightheaded.
It's because you're breathing heavily. We're on the verge of hyperventilation. Oh God. This is gonna be the worst part of the whole build, is the 8-pin EPS. That's way here in the corner. There's no way. Fish it through, you piece of you piece of You've gotta be me. I just gotta U-turn chocolate. Is there some secret behind chocolate and the only good thing is that it's chocolate, but it doesn't make it any less hot. I love this cooler, but it is so big. It's in the way. I should have pre-wired this.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Make sure you get it on camera. Okay, is this ever gonna happen? I need it.
I think we should just move on.
I'm not gonna give up.
I am.
Get a flashlight.
Flashlight? Where's the flashlight?
Anywhere. Your phone. Anything. Come behind me. Give me light. Give me light now. Right there. Right there. Oh, got it. I got it. The 500DX has front panel USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type C, so we have to plug in that front panel. Oh joy. You know what you could do? SATA. SATA goes to SATA. Oh, front panel connectors don't fail me now. RGB, digital. Where's the digital header? We don't even need you. Don't make this difficult. You plugged it in, right? SATA plugged in.
No, I don't know where this goes. What? I'm too lightheaded.
I literally
right
just
now.
I handed it to you.
Oh, you're in my way. Ah!
Chocolate. I love chocolate.
We need to plug one of these in.
That's for the graphics card.
Yeah. So we just need one or both. Do we need one or both?
We need both. Thank you.
Here's the other one. Do you want me to do the GPU?
After the wings.
No.
This is the last stab. Hold
I
on.
don't want to do the last
We gotta do
stab.
the last stab, honey.
Oh, I'm not doing more.
We gotta do it.
I'm not doing it. I take back what I said. You're stronger than me. I'm a weakling. I take it all back. Did you hear what I said?
Yes. And as tradition would have it, you always put a little extra on the last
I
dab,
think I
right?
might throw up if I have that. Wait, I don't want an extra dab. Kyle, that's a big dab.
I'm gonna divide it.
No, I don't want.
Okay.
Let me do it myself.
All right.
You do your own dab.
All right.
I'm not that brave.
Cheers to you at
Cheers.
home. Cheers. Bottoms
Look.
up.
I'm shaking. Really quick look.
Oh God.
Oh dear Lord, that's hot.
Wait, are you faking those noises?
No,
Are those real noises?
that was not hit me on the back of the throat.
I've never heard you make those sounds before.
Nope, I can't do that
All
first.
right, all right.
I gotta do this first.
Screw it.
Which one is it? This one?
So you gotta do these first. These ones on the side.
Oh, that is really hot. That is really hot. Oh, that's really hot. These ones?
The second two.
These ones?
Second two,
These
yeah.
two?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's really hot. Oh boy. Oh, I have a stomach ache.
GPU, where is it?
Oh, I feel like
Where is it? Get.
Oh,
We got an MSI RTX 2080 Super Gaming Trio.
oh, the room is spinning right now.
Here, just let me do it. Here. Oh my God.
Get it?
It's because these cables. Just gotta move them out of the way. Okay. I still gotta screw in the back though. Okay.
Actually, the burn went away pretty quickly on that one.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna prop this up.
I'm literally shaking right now.
Okay. I realize this looks terrible, but you should realize that I don't give a Back panel. Okay, please.
What?
You forgot the fans.
Oh,
We have 3 case fans that need to get plugged in. It's okay. It's
gotta
okay.
be
It'll be
Kyle.
quick. We got 1 here. 1 down. 2 down. Please. Got it. All right. Ow. What was that? All right, she blows. Okay, it's done.
We did it.
We did it.
Ow.
Challenge complete.
We did it. We're not gonna see if this boots. Or are we?
Here's a moment of truth. Can Wifeysauce and I build a functional PC while practically unconscious on spicy wings?
I wanna do it.
Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, RGB. I see some ARGB on that case. Looking mighty fine. I really love what they did here on the strips.
Actually, that looks nice.
Inside looks good too. Now I want to take this off. Come on, give us a sign, buddy. It's still booting. Still booting, nothing yet. All right, take this guy off. Oh yeah, it looks nice. We did good, honey. We did really good. Hey!
Yes!
Yes! We did it! Whoop, whoop.
Yeah! Oh, my stomach hurts. The excitement is hurting.
I'm in so much pain. Physical, mental, and emotional pain. I'll be in more pain in a few hours. Well, guys, that was every bit as awful as I thought it would be.
Yep.
Thanks again to BITBOI for sponsoring this video. If you guys want more information on their Peerbase 500DX, I'll put links in the description below along with all the other parts to this build. It's a really nice case, actually. I enjoyed building in it despite everything else sucking royally, and it seems like there is a ton of air going through it. It's fairly quiet too for having the side panel off, but thank you guys so much for watching. Toss a like on this video, get subscribed for more tech content on the way, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Yes. I'm gonna go lay down now.